Hello dear candidates, welcome to bioclasses. Today our topic of discussion is terpenes or terpenoids. These terpenes or terpenoids are one of the class or one of the subclass of the derived lipids. The video is very useful and very interesting, so do watch till end. And if you are visiting my YouTube channel first time, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of my new videos. Coming to the topic terpenes, these terpenes जो होते हैं they are lipid like hydrocarbons formed of the isoprene units. ये जो टर्पीन्स या टर्पिनॉइड्स होते हैं ये बने हुए होते हैं एक हाइड्रोकार्बन यूनिट्स से, जिन हाइड्रोकार्बन यूनिट्स का फार्मूला है C5H8 and these terpenes or terpenoids they are just like as the lipid like but are hydrocarbon in nature. These terpenes have been classified or have been subclassified into 7 other categories depending upon the number of these isoprene units, that is the C5H8 units. And the first class of the terpenes is the hemiterpenes. हेमीटरपीन्स कंटेन ओनली सिंगल आइसोप्रीन यूनिट्स. जो हेमीटरपीन्स होते हैं इनमें सिर्फ एक ही आइसोप्रीन दैट इज C5H8 यूनिट्स होते हैं और these are the volatile products and are presumed to be released from photosynthetically active tissues. ये जो हेमीटरपीन्स होते हैं ये बने हुए होते हैं एक आइसोप्रीन यूनिट से और ये वोलेटाइल प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं और इनको प्रिज्यूम किया जाता है कि ये दे आर रिलीज्ड फ्रॉम द photosynthetically active tissues. And the second class of these terpenes is that the monoterpenes. The formula of these monoterpenes is C10H16. As you might have seen from the formula that these monoterpenes are made up of the 2 isoprene units. ये जो monoterpenes होते हैं इनमें 2 आइसोप्रीन यूनिट्स होते हैं, दैट इज़ वाई इनका जो फार्मूला है C10H16 है. और ये जो मोनोटर्पीन्स होते हैं दे आर एन इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द एसेंशियल ऑयल्स in case of higher plants and in algae. And these monoterpenes have find a considerable industrial use in flavor and perfumes. इनको mainly use किया जाता है फ्लेवर में और in the perfumes में. So they find a considerable use in the industries. The third type of the terpenes are called as the sesquiterpenes. The formula of the sesquiterpenes is C15H24 and are made up of 3 isoprene units. So ये जो sesquiterpenes होते हैं ये बने हुए होते हैं 3 isoprene units से and they occur in essential oils but in a lower amount. जो essential oils होते हैं उनमें ये sesquiterpenes पाए जाते हैं but in a lower amounts. They are found in the plants, liverworts, fungi and algae. Abscisic acid जो आप सभी जानते होंगे which is one of the plant hormone, वो abscisic acid is nothing that is a sesquiterpene. So this abscisic acid which is a plant hormone or a plant growth regulator is a sesquiterpene. The next class of the terpenes are the diterpenes whose formula is C20H32. They are made up of 4 isoprene units. So these diterpenes बने हुए होते हैं 4 isoprene units से and they are found in higher plants. And one of the another plant hormone which was discovered from the fungus that is Gibberellia fujicoria, जिस हार्मोन को जिस प्लांट हार्मोन को हम कहते हैं जिबरलिन, ये जो जिबरलिन होता है ये डाइटरपीन होता है, एक टर्पिन होता है जिसको हम कहते हैं डाइटर्पिन, और जिस डाइटर्पिन में 4 आइसोप्रीन यूनिट्स एक दूसरे के साथ ज्वाइन हुए होते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्लास ऑफ दिस terpenes are called as the triterpenes, and these triterpenes का जो फार्मूला है that is C30H48 and are thus made up of 6 isoprene units, and one of the important component or one of the important organic compound that is called as the squalene. जो सिक्वालिन होता है ये एक ट्राइटरपीन होता है, एंड दिस सिक्वालिन एक्ट्स एज ए प्रिकर्सर टू ऑल द स्टेरॉइड। जितने भी स्टेरॉइड्स होते हैं उनका जो प्रिकर्सर जिनसे ये स्टेरॉइड्स बनते हैं, उन सभी स्टेरॉइड्स का जो प्रिकर्सर होता है एक ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड होता है, जिस ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड को हम सिक्वालिन कहते हैं, और वो सिक्वालिन इज़ नथिंग अदर दैन द triterpene. The next class of these terpenes are called as the tetraterpenes. The formula of the tetraterpenes is C40H64 and are thus made up of 8 isoprene units. The carotenes which are the pigments and help in the photosynthesis, these carotenes are the tetraterpenes. So the carotenes are the tetraterpenes, and these tetraterpenes are made up of 8 isoprene units. The next class of the terpenes is the polyterpenes. The polyterpenes contain many, or we can say the n number of the isoprene, that is C5H8 units. So we can say they are made up of many isoprene units, and they have a high molecular weight. So we can say they are high molecular weight terpenes, and are the one of the major class of the terpenes which are widely distributed. As you might have seen that the natural rubber, this natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene units, or we can say in other words, natural rubber is a polyterpene. Thank you.